In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Screen Reader on Fiverr. If you use assistive technology, Fiverr includes an accessibility menu that works alongside your device's screen reader. I'll show you how to reach the site, open the accessibility controls, and switch on the screen reader option, plus a few quick tips to ensure it works. Open your web browser and head to Google. Any search engine is fine. Google is just convenient. In the search bar, type Fiverr, then choose the official result that leads to the Fiverr homepage. Click to open it. You don't need to sign in to access the accessibility tools, so this process works whether you're a buyer, a seller, or just browsing. When the homepage loads, scroll down. Watch the lower right corner of the page. The accessibility icon appears as a small floating button, often with a universal accessibility symbol. On phones and tablets, it typically sits near the same corner, though it may hover slightly above the footer depending on your screen size. If you see any cookie banners or chat pop-ups, dismiss them so the corner isn't covered. Click the accessibility icon to open the panel. Inside, look for the screen reader option and select it. This doesn't install a reader. It fine-tunes the site's structure, focus order, and labels so your device's screen reader, such as VoiceOver, TalkBack, NVDA, or JAWS, can interpret Fiverr more clearly. After enabling it, navigating menus, searching gigs, and moving between sections should provide clearer cues and more predictable keyboard focus. If you enable the option and don't hear speech, turn on your system's screen reader, since the voice comes from your device, not the website. Refreshing the page can help the setting take effect. If you can't find the icon, scroll fully to the bottom and check the bottom right corner again. On mobile, a brief tap may reveal it if the browser toolbar hides while scrolling. To disable it later, open the same icon and toggle screen reader off. And that's all there is to it. You searched for Fiverr, opened the site, found the accessibility icon at the bottom right, opened the menu, and enabled screen reader. With that done, you're set up for a smoother, more accessible experience on Fiverr. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you set it up.